There's always upgrades on these RVs, and today we've got a pretty good upgrade that I think we're going to share with you. I think you're going to like it. I'm going to hold that and I'll let you see it as we unbox it.
1, 2, get ready to roll. If you're moving with the beat, then you're moving with the flow. Say 3, 4, get ready for more. We ain't come to mess around.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we share all things RV camping and adventure. Since we got our camper, Rose and I have been on a quest for the perfect RV mattress. The one that came with our RV, honestly, it felt like we were sleeping on a slab of concrete. We tried to make it work with a foam topper, and it helped a little, but it came with its own set of problems. Every time we'd sit up to read or watch a movie in bed, the topper would slide down toward the foot of the bed, leaving our pillows slipping into this annoying gap at the headboard. It was like wrestling with our bedding every night. So when the awesome folks at PlushBeds reached out and offered to send us their Eco Green RV mattress to review, we were beyond excited. It arrived in a compacted, rolled up box, which was honestly kind of fun to unbox, like opening a giant present. We haven't slept on it yet because we wanted to give you a thorough and honest review. We've set it up in our camper, unwrapped it, and we've let it breathe for 24 hours as recommended. Now, our first impressions, this mattress looks and feels luxurious. The quilted organic cotton cover is super luxurious, and a huge bonus, there's no chemical smell when we opened it. Doesn't have any bad smells. No ALF gases.
Didn't rub all over it too.
That's a big deal when you're in a tight quarters like an RV. After 24 hours, it was fully fluffed up and it was ready to go. The whole process felt seamless, which is a huge plus for RVers. We don't want to wrestle with heavy, bulky mattresses on the road. We also noticed how well it fits our RV bed. While our RV mattress is a residential size queen, PlushBeds also offers sizes specifically designed for RV camping. So it's not one of those awkward, almost fit situations. We're also really impressed with the craftsmanship. But the real test will be how it feels to sleep on. So stay tuned for that. Now, let's talk about PlushBeds as a company, because their story really sets them apart. They were founded in 2008 by Michael Hughes. PlushBeds was born out of a deeply personal mission. You see, Michael's father was diagnosed with Parkinson's disease at just 40 years old, and he passed away at 64. And while there's no definitive cause for Parkinson's, research suggests that exposure to certain environmental toxins may increase the risk. You see, this weighed heavily on Michael, especially when he and his wife started their own family. They went looking for safe, toxin-free mattresses for their kids, but they found the market full of mystery foams and synthetic materials and fire retardants that raised red flags. Their research uncovered some shocking statistics too. For instance, studies have found that flame retardants like bromine-based chemicals, they've been found in breast milk samples all across the US at levels 75% higher than in recent European studies at the time. Another study linked chemicals in conventional mattresses to health concerns like hormonal disruptions and even developmental issues. That's not exactly the kind of thing you want to be bringing into your home or your RV. So Michael and his wife decided to create PlushBeds to offer healthier organic sleep solutions. More than 15 years later, they're still a family-owned company with no outside investors, focused on quality over rapid growth. Their philosophy, build an exceptional product and let it speak for itself. And with countless happy customers, it's clear their mattresses are doing just that. The Eco Green RV mattress is part of PlushBeds' lineup of organic and natural latex mattresses, and it comes with a laundry list of certifications that ensure its safety, eco-friendly, and built to last. Let's break them down. First, there's GOLS, Global Organic Latex Standard. This ensures the latex is 100% organic, free from harmful chemicals, and produced with strict environmental and ethical standards. Then we have the GOTS, or Global Organic Textile Standard. The cotton and wool are fully organic, meaning no pesticides or synthetic chemicals that could irritate your skin or lungs. They're also Green Guard GOLS-certified. Now, this ensures low chemical emissions, making it safer for sensitive folks like kids, allergy sufferers, or anyone camping in a small RV space. And then there's the CertiPure US certification, which means any memory foam components are free from ozone depleters, heavy metals, formaldehyde, or PBDE flame retardant. There's the OEKI Tech Standard 100. This confirms that textiles are safe for human health. They also hold a USDA organic certification. This verifies sustainable and ethically sourced materials. Now you might be wondering, why should I care about all these certifications? I just want a comfy mattress. Fair question. Here's the deal. Conventional mattresses often contain volatile organic compounds, or VOCs you might have heard of. These can release toxic fumes linked to headaches, dizziness, and respiratory issues. Many are treated with chemical flame retardants like PBDEs, as mentioned earlier, which can build up in your body over time, potentially causing hormonal imbalances, immune system issues, or even developmental concerns. Synthetic materials can also trap dust mites, mold, and allergens, which is a nightmare for anyone with asthma or allergies. I'm gonna be real with you here. I never thought twice about what my mattress was made of. Like most folks, I just wanted something that felt good. But when you realize we spend about a third of our lives in bed, and especially on long RV trips where your camper is your home, it hits home a little bit differently. See, PlushBeds organic materials like natural latex, cotton, and wool avoid these risks, promoting better air quality, skin health, and a peace of mind. So, what makes an organic latex mattress like the EcoGreen so unique? Well, it starts with the sap. It's sustainably harvested from rubber trees in tropical plantations. PlushBeds uses the Dunlop method to turn this liquid latex into supportive foam. Unlike the Telele method, which requires extra chemicals, Dunlop keeps it natural, earning them the coveted organic certification. The result is a firmer, more durable foam that's perfect for your RV mattress that need to stand up to life on the road. Every mattress goes through rigorous quality checks. PlushBeds artisans in California inspect the foam for imperfections, consistency, and resiliency. It simulates years of use to ensure the durability. This attention to detail is why they offer a 20-year warranty, double what many other mattress brands provide. That's a company that stands behind its product. Latex mattresses aren't just eco-friendly, they are a game changer for sleep health. Their natural bounce molds to your body, relieving pressure points and keeping your spine aligned. Perfect for RVers who wake up stiff after long drives. Plus, latex is breathable. It wicks away moisture to keep you cool, which is a lifesaver in a camper without great airflow. Now, PlushBeds makes it easy to say yes to their mattresses, especially for RVers. You order it online and shipping is free across the contiguous US. Are you worried about buying a mattress you haven't tried? They've got you covered there too with a 100-night money-back guarantee. If the firmness isn't perfect after 30 days, you can swap the top foam cover for a different comfort level at no extra cost. That kind of flexibility is huge when you're upgrading your RV sleep setup. As a family-owned company, PlushBeds goes the extra mile, earning dual organic certifications through annual inspections. Their mattresses are handmade in California by skilled artisans who take pride in their craft. It's not just a mattress, it's a commitment to quality and health. For us, RV camping is all about freedom, adventure, and making memories with family. But let's be honest, none of that feels great if you're waking up sore and exhausted from a bad mattress. The EcoGreen is designed specifically for RVs with sizes that fit those tricky camper beds perfectly. We're excited to see if it lives up to the hype and solves all of our sliding topper woes. We want to hear from you. What's your biggest mattress struggle when camping? Drop it in the comment section below. Maybe it's a lumpy bed, a mattress that's too hot, or just not enough support for your back. We'll read through your responses and share some of our favorites in our follow-up video. We can't wait to test out the EcoGreen RV mattress and share how it holds up on our next camping trip. Will it give us the cozy, supportive sleep we've been dreaming of? Stay tuned for a follow-up video with all the details. If you're ready to upgrade your RV sleep game with a healthier, eco-friendly mattress, head on over to PlushBeds website and check out their RV mattress lineup, including the EcoGreen, and take advantage of their risk-free 100-night trial. Trust me, with policies like that, it's hard to go wrong. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give us a thumbs up. The algorithm really likes that. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for more RV tips, tricks, and reviews. Until next time, guys, stay safe out there.